Alright, so today we are going to be making a new dish in the Instant Pot, guys. I only made a couple dishes in Instant Pot. So I found this recipe on YouTube. This guy, he's a pretty good YouTuber. He does a lot of Instant Pot recipes, also some food reviews and eating videos like I do. It's kind of similar to my channel, actually. So I'll leave the link in the description down below. You can check out his videos. But he did this video, basically, it's a pork chop recipe. So basically all you need is a boneless pork chop. That's what I got. Just got one because it's just for me. He used this Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. I don't know if I've ever had this before. I usually like Kinder's, but I thought I would give this one a try, guys, because that's what he used. And for the chicken spice, he used something different. I'm going to use this 21 seasoning salute from Cheddar Gels. And you do need some chicken broth or water to get the pressure up. I decided he used chicken broth, so I decided I would do the same what he does. All right, let me show you how it's done. I'm going to add a splash of olive oil. So I got this at Whole Foods, by the way. You guys can get it anywhere you want. I just wanted one. That's why I went to Whole Foods. I just wanted one. So you can see it's a nice thick one. I'm going to sprinkle some of this 21 seasoning salutes. Flip it over, do the other side. All right, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to plug in our Instant Pot. And then we're going to hit saute. All right, now it's hot. Now we can put the pork chop in here. We're going to saute it for about 2 minutes on each side. Put it on a plate. We're going to hit cancel. Next, we're going to add 1.5 cups of chicken stock. Next, I want to put the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce on the pork chop. This is a really big pork chop. I'd never had one this big before. So I might just have half of this for tonight, half for tomorrow night, thinking about it. You want a lot, so it's, good flavor. And with the rub I put on, it's going to be really amazing, guys. Just mix it all around so you get some good flavor. Usually when I make pork chops, it's been years, I would just fry it in the pan and put salt and pepper. But this will be different. I'm excited. All right, now you put this on here. Then you put the pork chop on top. Okay, we're gonna hit meat and stew. We're gonna go down to 10 minutes. And hit pressure cook. All right, so I thought we'd have some macaroni and cheese, guys, with this meal. Also some asparagus as well. smells good. So the reason why I cut it, guys, is because when I first did it, I didn't have the lid on correctly, so I wanted to make sure if it was done or not, and it was not done, so that's why it was cut in half. But I'll probably just eat half of it tonight. Alright guys, so today we have a homemade cooked meal in Instant Pot. We have some pork chop right here, some asparagus, and some macaroni and cheese. We put some mayonnaise on my asparagus. Only best foods, guys. Do I have a fork here? I grew up eating mayonnaise with asparagus. I think at restaurants they probably don't sell this, but I really like it a lot. Well guys, I'm really eager to try this pork chop. Might add some barbecue sauce afterwards, but I just want to try it. It's a really thick one, so that's why it's kind of small, but okay. Let's try out this pork chop. That's good. It's really tender too. So this recipe came from a YouTuber. He made it out of a sandwich, but he did suggest macaroni and cheese as an option for a side item. I'm like, well, that's a great idea. So that's what I did. This is my first time trying the Sweet Baby Ray's. I usually like Kinder's. But let me know, guys, what your favorite barbecue sauce is. I'm really curious. Let's try some with this barbecue sauce. That's good. Okay, let's try some of this asparagus, guys. Asparagus. That's good. Nice, tender, not overly cooked. My favorite, macaroni and cheese. Crap is my ultimate favorite. I could eat this for dinner only. I'd be very happy, you know. It's very good. So guys, I'm super excited. Yesterday, I got the new iPhone 11 Pro. I wasn't sure if I should get the regular iPhone 11 or the Pro, but you know, it wasn't that much more expensive, honestly, than the regular iPhone 11. Since it has a better camera, and since I want a better phone for my videos and a better camera, I decided to go with the iPhone Pro. And so yeah, I'm super excited. So my first video, actually my first mukbang video I'm doing, playing with my new iPhone. So I'm super excited. So today is February 2nd. Like I said, I do film my videos a little bit, I edit my videos a bit later because I'm so busy. But I just want to let you guys know that today is February 2nd, and my sister went to Costco today. Now, I know the first was, I think, yesterday on a Sunday. And my cashier job, we were busy all weekend long. Especially Saturday and Sunday was extremely busy. And I thought I was busy because of the first. The first was on a Sunday. But my sister thought it was busy because of the coronavirus. She went to Costco. She was extremely busy. It was really, she's never seen busy, not even during Christmas time. It was that packed. and she thought it was because of the coronavirus. And she saw so many people with carts of like toilet paper, paper towels, just overly stacked, like way more than they need. So I guess because of social media and the news lately, people are just really anxious about this coronavirus and they want to stay healthy. And today I talked to my other sister who lives in Texas, and she says she's not going to go that crazy, but every time she goes to the store, she stocks on a little bit of extra soup, a little extra paper towels, or just a little bit extra whatever. And usually, and she did say it's really good to stock on extra medicine just to be on the safe side. And I usually get the special emergency lemon lime. I can't find any place. If you guys ever find a lemon lime emergency, it's my favorite kind. It's the only kind I will actually drink. So I usually get it on Amazon between $10 to $15. But now it's up to $30. This is crazy. So what do you guys think about the coronavirus? Are you scared? Do you think it's people are being overhyped? There's a few cases in California, but I don't think anybody has died from California as of yet, but a couple have died from Washington. I'm not really concerned about me getting it because I think I would survive it. I'm pretty healthy. I hardly ever get sick, like once a year. My mom, my brother, they just booked a Hawaii cruise on the ship. Just like leaving in March, so I guess they're not really worried about it either. I don't know if I would have gone on a cruise. Not after I heard about that last cruise. But yeah, I'm pretty healthy and I'm not really concerned about me dying like some of the people I've been hearing about. But do you think it's going to get worse? But I don't really know how worse. Just an update on the Whole Foods hiring process. Not really hiring process. They never really, well, they did get back to me, guys, and basically kind of got rejected. I didn't even have an interview. They said I wasn't the right fit or something. I think it's my scheduling. So I talked to another cashier at my cashier job, and she was like, "Yeah, Whole Foods, if you have open availability, they won't even accept you." That's what she told me. And she was like, she won't even apply at Whole Foods because if she has a second job like me, she knows they want open availability. So I went to Whole Foods today, and this is cashier. She was a little older. I would say at least 60 years old. I asked her, "Do you have to have open availability?" And she's like, she thought that you did. She did. The only thing that she really wanted was to have 2 days off in a row, like the middle of the week. And she said she's received that. She's got that. But yeah, she's older, so she was open. I think that was her only job. I know they start $15 an hour. So that's interesting because I've already had I had 2 interviews at Whole Foods. The one interview, we kind of both agreed it wasn't the right fit for me because she couldn't guarantee me full-time hours. And I needed full-time. That was my only job at that time. The second interview, it was an open interview. So I'm thinking maybe it was a availability thing. And when I applied this time, they said I wasn't the right fit, so I'm assuming they want me to be more open availability. Which basically means it's not the right job for me. But I'm really happy that my cashier job right now, they're willing to work with my schedule. And so at least I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesdays off. That really helps me. And the weekends I don't have to go until 4:45 p.m. So that's good. Saving the best for last. Macaroni and cheese. Craft. That's good. So I might save that half of the pork for my dinner tomorrow night. The next 2 home cooked meals I want to make, I'm thinking about making crunchy homemade tacos, like Taco Bell style, sour cream and everything like that. But I want to just try the Jack in the Box taco sauce and the Taco Bell taco sauce. I want to see which one tastes the best. I've also been craving crab. I want to do like a seafood boil. I don't know if I should just do like crab only, or should I do like a boil but like shrimp, lobster tails. I've never had a lobster tail. I wonder how that tastes, but can't do blood sauce because it's too spicy for me. So I have to make my own sauce for that. Well, guys, that was very good. Thanks for watching a home cooked meal, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.